Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name Yusrina, NIM D0220367, Class B Informatics, University of West Sulawesi. The purpose of making this video is to fulfill the task of the English course brought by Adisma, SPD, MPD. Well, here I will explain about procedure text. That consists of procedure text. Procedure text terdiri dari 1. Definition, 2. Generic structure, 3. Language feature, and 4. Example. Number 1. Definition of procedure text. Definition of procedure text. Procedure text is a text which aims to inform the readers about the step to do something. Example, how to write or how to make. Prosedur teks ini merupakan teks yang digunakan untuk menginformasikan kepada pembaca tentang langkah-langkah melakukan sesuatu. Contohnya yaitu bagaimana cara mengoperasikannya atau bagaimana cara membuatnya. The purpose of procedure text is to show how something is made, used, or done through a sequence of steps. Nah, teks ini digunakan untuk menginformasikan bagaimana sesuatu itu dibuat, dilakukan, atau digunakan dengan langkah-langkah yang jelas dan berurutan. Number 2. Generic structure of procedure text. Number 1. Aim or goal. In the first part in writing procedure text is aim or goal, which means goal. Usually, this purpose lies in the title indicating the purpose of the text. Bagian pertama dalam generic struktur dari prosedur teks ini yaitu berisi tujuan, di mana tujuan ini biasanya terletak pada judul yang menunjukkan tujuan dibuatnya teks tersebut. Example, how to schedule Zoom meeting for an online class. Number 2. Ingredients or material. In the second part, you are required to write down the ingredients. Writing these ingredients is useful for explaining what materials or tools are used to make something in the procedure text. Bagian kedua yaitu alat dan bahan. Alat dan bahan yang berguna untuk menjelaskan apa saja alat-alat atau bahan-bahan yang digunakan dalam prosedur teks. Example, the tools used to conduct online classes using Zoom meeting are PC or mobile phones, Zoom application, and also the internet. Number 3, step or method. At the end, namely writing step or methods. This section contains the steps taken to achieve the goals of the procedure text. Bagian ketiga atau bagian yang terakhir dalam generic struktur dari prosedur teks ini yaitu langkah-langkah, di mana bagian ini berisi tentang langkah-langkah apa saja yang digunakan atau langkah-langkah apa saja yang dilakukan untuk mencapai tujuan dari prosedur teks. Example, first, open your Zoom application on your PC or phone. 3. Language feature of procedure text. Number 1. Present tense. Procedure text discusses facts about the making or use of something. So, we need to use the simple present tense. Number 2. Imperative sentence. Since we need to explain some steps, we must use imperative sentences. Example sentences in procedure text are: add 5 onions, get some yes and pen. The most important thing is the command sentence must begin with a verb. Example are mix, stir, boil, add, turn on, get, and so on. Number 3. Connectivize. In procedure text, when we want to explain the step of making or using, there are times when we need to connect one sentence to another. Therefore, we need connecting word. For example, first, second, after that, then, finally, last, and so on. Number 4. Adverb. To give an explanation of the time or duration of making in a procedure text, we need to use an adverb. Example are in 5 minutes, for and how, and so on. In addition, we can also use adverbs of manner. For example, slowly, fastly, rapidly, powerfully, at. 4. Example of procedure text. How to make scrambled eggs. Let's learn how to make yummy scrambled eggs at your home with this easy recipe. Cara membuat orak-arik telur. Ingredients: alat atau bahan: 2 egg, 2 telur, milk, susu, 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 sendok teh mentega, a pinch of salt and pepper, sedikit garam dan air. Steps, langkah-langkah. First, crack the egg into a small bowl and add a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk until all well blended. Pertama, pecahkan telur ke dalam mangkuk kecil dan tambahkan sedikit garam dan merica. Aduk hingga semua tercampur rata. 2. In a frying pan, add butter and let it melt. Di dalam wajan, tambahkan mentega dan biarkan meleleh. Pour the eggs and milk. 3. Pour the egg and milk, and for around 20 seconds, do not stir it. Tuang telur dan susu, tunggu sekitar 20 detik, jangan diaduk. 4. After that, fold the egg to the center and stir with spatula. Setelah itu, lipat telur ke tengah dan aduk dengan spatula. 5. Repeat the previous step until all the egg or mostly cooked. Ulangi langkah sebelumnya sampai semua telur hampir matang. 6. Remove egg from heat and continue to fold and stir the egg for around a minute. Angkat telur dari api, terus lipat dan aduk telur selama sekitar 1 menit. 7. Leave the egg, put on the serving plate, and your scrambled egg are ready. Terakhir, angkat telur dan taruh di piring saji, telur orak-arik Anda sudah siap. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.